Alright, so we're at Green Turtle Bay, and it's flooded really bad. And this isn't even the worst of it. We're supposed to gain an extra 4 feet by Wednesday, so we have to walk across boards to get over here.
Show the yacht club there from a distance.
Pretty bad to get to our dock. Stuff's torn up over there. It's really high. There's stairs leading into the water. Usually there's a parking lot right there, but it's all underwater.
Yeah, it was amazing.
And then this led to the parking lot, but now it's all underwater.
We used our rope over there.
Yeah, the rope that used to keep this thing here in case the water gets, well, since the water is going to get higher. Up here we almost have to crawl to get under. See, the line docks at the red, and usually you can't even reach these big concrete things. Ugh. It's really low. Right now we're under the yacht club. Imagine what it'll be like with an extra 4 feet. Be under pretty bad. Here we are, Pier 4. Up here it doesn't look that different because there's nothing else to compare it to. And get to the boat.